Hey guys, welcome back. Today's tutorial will show you how to know who visits your Instagram profile. Are you looking for a way to see who's visiting your Instagram profile in 2023? Stay tuned and find out. To begin, open the Instagram app on your phone. Then, go to your Instagram profile. Tap on the three lines or hamburger icon on the top right corner. A prompt will appear. Tap on Settings. In Settings, tap on the Account option. Under Account, choose Add New Professional Account. This will enable you to switch to a business account. Tap on Switch to confirm. After you've switched to a business account, tap on the three lines again and choose Get Insights. And then tap Continue. Afterwards, choose your niche and tap Done. When you go back to your profile, you will see Professional Dashboard where you can check your analytics and how people are looking at your profile. It's that easy. Hope the video helped. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next one.